What would happen if the Sun collided with the largest known star in our galaxy? A question that may seem far-fetched, yet teems with fascinating implications. In the far corners of space, UY Scuti, a red supergiant, dwarfs our Sun with a radius approximately 1,700 times larger. If these two celestial bodies were to collide, the results would be nothing short of catastrophic and profound. Space, as we know, is vast and expansive, making direct collisions between stars an extremely rare event. However, for the sake of scientific curiosity, one can imagine the cataclysmic spectacle that would ensue if our Sun were to collide with UY Scuti. The first step in this cosmic dance would involve the disruption of the delicate balance of gravitational forces that hold the structure of both stars together. The immense gravitational pull between the two would either cause them to merge or instigate a violent interaction. The potential outcomes could range from the creation of a binary star system to the complete annihilation of one or both stars. This collision would not be a silent event. An enormous release of energy would accompany this process, akin to a cosmic fireworks display. The combined mass of the Sun and UY Scuti encapsulates a colossal amount of potential energy. This collision would set this energy free, resulting in a burst of powerful radiation, including light, X-rays and gamma rays. The impact of this collision would not be confined to the two stars alone. The resulting shock waves would ripple through space, influencing surrounding celestial bodies. These waves could potentially trigger the birth of new stars, or even alter the orbits of existing ones. Zooming out further, the merging or destruction of stars is a key player in the life cycle of galaxies. Such events are responsible for spreading heavy elements, forged in the heart of stars, throughout space. This enriches the cosmos with the necessary raw materials for the formation of new planets and other celestial bodies. To summarize, a hypothetical collision between our Sun and UY Scuti would be a grand spectacle of cosmic proportions, reshaping the fabric of space at both a local and galactic level. Despite the astronomically low probability of such an event, contemplating these scenarios provides invaluable insights into the complex dynamics that rule our vast and mysterious universe.